Number 1. 1974 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $3,000, DeMotte, Indiana. The 1974 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 captures the unmistakable spirit of Harley-Davidson's legendary Ironhead era. Powered by the iconic 1,000 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, this generation of Sportster became a favorite among chopper builders and vintage Harley enthusiasts thanks to its rugged construction, simple mechanical design, and endless customization potential. Whether restored to factory condition or transformed into an old-school chopper, Ironhead Sportsters continue to command strong interest in today's classic motorcycle market. Located in DeMotte, Indiana, this project bike is offered for $3,000. According to the seller, the motorcycle features a rebuilt engine, a hardtail frame, a Springer front end, a new whitewall rear tire, and an impressive collection of new chrome components along with several hard-to-find vintage parts. A matching title is included, while the fuel tank and rear fender are already prepared and only require final paint before assembly. For buyers looking to complete a traditional Harley-Davidson chopper with much of the expensive work already finished, this Sportster project offers excellent value and outstanding customization potential. Number 2. 1988 Honda Shadow VT600, $3,250, Marysville, Ohio. The 1988 Honda Shadow VT600 helped establish Honda as one of the leading manufacturers of dependable V-twin cruiser motorcycles. Combining comfortable ergonomics, classic cruiser styling, and Honda's renowned reliability, the Shadow continues to be a popular platform for both custom builders and everyday riders. Located in Marysville, Ohio, this custom VT600 is listed for $3,250. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great, shifts smoothly, and shows no fluid leaks. A professionally executed hardtail conversion, along with several custom modifications completed by the owner, gives this Shadow a distinctive old-school appearance while retaining Honda's proven mechanical dependability. For anyone searching for a unique custom cruiser that's ready to ride and enjoy immediately, this Honda Shadow represents an excellent opportunity. Number 3. 1967 Harley-Davidson XLH 900, $6,800, Cross Plains, Wisconsin. The 1967 Harley-Davidson XLH 900 represents one of the most desirable generations of the early Ironhead Sportster. Famous for its classic styling, right foot shift configuration, and unmistakable Harley-Davidson personality, these motorcycles continue to be highly sought after by collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts alike. Located in Cross Plains, Wisconsin, this XLH is offered for $6,800. The seller reports that the motorcycle is powered by its original 900 cubic centimeters Ironhead engine, paired with a 4-speed transmission and features both electric and kickstart capability. Additional highlights include fishtail exhaust pipes, several tasteful upgrades, a recent tune-up, fresh engine oil, excellent tires, and a clear Wisconsin title. With its combination of originality, thoughtful improvements, and ready-to-ride condition, this 1967 Sportster is an outstanding example of a classic American motorcycle. Number 4. 1973 Yamaha CT3 175, $3,500, Velas, North Carolina. The 1973 Yamaha CT3 175 reflects Yamaha's tremendous success in producing lightweight and dependable two-stroke enduro motorcycles during the early 1970s. Known for their versatility, simple engineering, and enjoyable handling characteristics, CT Series motorcycles continue to attract collectors who appreciate classic Japanese trail bikes. Located in Velas, North Carolina, this beautifully preserved CT3 is listed for $3,500. According to the seller, the motorcycle has been carefully restored while retaining its original factory paint and original seat, preserving much of its authenticity. Numerous new old stock, NOS, Yamaha parts have been installed, along with a new rear tire, chain, sprockets, battery, and grips. The engine reportedly runs exceptionally well, and the motorcycle also includes its original owner's manual, factory toolkit, and a clear title. For enthusiasts seeking an authentic vintage Yamaha that balances originality with dependable rideability, this CT3 is an excellent choice. Number 5. 1980 BMW R65, $3,500, Richmond, Virginia. The 1980 BMW R65 introduced a lighter and more agile version of BMW's famous Boxer twin platform, while maintaining the durability and refinement that made the brand legendary. Comfortable ergonomics, dependable engineering, and timeless styling continue to make the R65 a rewarding motorcycle for both collectors and touring enthusiasts. Located in Richmond, Virginia, this BMW is offered for $3,500. The seller states that the motorcycle is in good overall condition and was previously owned by a BMW motorcycle mechanic, suggesting careful maintenance throughout its life. The sale also includes a set of period-correct BMW hardshell saddlebags along with 2 helmets, adding even greater value for the next owner. For buyers looking for a well-maintained airhead that's ready for weekend touring or vintage motorcycle events, this BMW R65 is certainly worth considering. Number 6. 1976 Kawasaki KZ900, $5,000, Fort Wayne, Indiana. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ900 remains one of the most respected performance motorcycles of the 1970s. Building upon Kawasaki's legendary superbike heritage, the KZ900 earned its reputation through its powerful inline-4 engine, robust construction, and exceptional aftermarket support. Today, it remains equally popular for factory restorations and traditional custom chopper builds. Located in Fort Wayne, Indiana, this custom KZ900 is listed for $5,000. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs, rides, and stops properly, although it has not been ridden on public roads for the past 2 years. The bike features a period-correct 1970s girder front end, a lock-up clutch, a PM rear disc brake, and numerous vintage custom components that perfectly capture the spirit of old-school chopper culture. For buyers searching for a truly distinctive custom motorcycle built around Kawasaki's legendary inline-4 engine, this KZ900 delivers plenty of vintage character. Number 7. 1975 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster, $7,800, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The 1975 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster embodies everything enthusiasts appreciate about the Ironhead generation. Its classic styling, unmistakable V-twin exhaust note, and straightforward mechanical design have helped make these motorcycles enduring favorites among collectors and riders alike. Located in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, this beautifully restored XLH is offered for $7,800. According to the seller, the motorcycle has undergone a show-quality restoration and has accumulated fewer than 10,000 miles since its engine was completely rebuilt. Additional highlights include a powder-coated frame, leather accessories, an extra seat, and an engine that reportedly runs exceptionally well. For anyone seeking a fully restored vintage Harley-Davidson that's ready to ride or display, this XLH Sportster stands out as one of the finest examples featured today. Number 8. 1978 Suzuki GS 750, $3,000, Joliet, Illinois. The 1978 Suzuki GS 750 played a major role in establishing Suzuki as a serious competitor in the 4-cylinder motorcycle market. Praised for its dependable engine, balanced handling, and timeless styling, the GS 750 continues to serve as an excellent platform for restorations, cafe racers, and custom builds. Located in Joliet, Illinois, this GS 750 is listed for $3,000. According to the seller, the motorcycle features a rare Tracy fiberglass body kit imported from Japan, giving it a unique cafe racer appearance unlike most GS 750s on the road today. Additional improvements include a new front tire, rebuilt rear shocks, and both kick-start and electric start capability. With its distinctive styling and reliable Suzuki engineering, this GS 750 offers an eye-catching blend of performance and individuality. Number 9. 1988 BMW R100, $3,850, Maple Park, Illinois. The 1988 BMW R100 remains one of BMW's most respected airhead motorcycles, admired for its smooth Boxer twin engine, dependable engineering, and excellent long-distance comfort. These motorcycles are especially popular among enthusiasts who appreciate tasteful modifications while preserving BMW's legendary reliability. Located in Maple Park, Illinois, this R100 is offered for $3,850. According to the seller, the motorcycle features rebuilt carburetors, fresh paint, new tires, upgraded suspension, stainless steel brake lines, and several additional aftermarket improvements. The engine reportedly runs cleanly with no smoke or oil leaks, while the upgraded suspension provides improved handling and ride quality. For buyers searching for a well-sorted vintage BMW with practical upgrades and everyday usability, this R100 presents outstanding value. Number 10. 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $6,500, Davenport, Iowa. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead represents the closing years of Harley-Davidson's legendary Shovelhead engine family. Revered for its unmistakable V-twin sound, timeless styling, and deep roots in American chopper culture, the Shovelhead continues to be one of the most iconic engines ever produced by Harley-Davidson. Located in Davenport, Iowa, this custom Shovelhead is listed for $6,500. The motorcycle features a hardtail frame, a 1979 80 cubic inch V-twin engine, and a traditional 4-speed transmission, creating the authentic riding experience that vintage Harley enthusiasts appreciate. According to the seller, the price is firm, and no trades are being considered. For anyone looking to own a genuine old-school Harley-Davidson chopper with timeless appeal and unmistakable American character, this 1979 Shovelhead is well worth a closer look. Number 11. 1985 Honda Rebel, $1,000, Cleveland, Ohio. The 1985 Honda Rebel has earned a lasting reputation as one of the best beginner motorcycles ever produced. Introduced as a lightweight, easy-to-ride cruiser, the Rebel quickly became known for its approachable performance, low seat height, simple maintenance, and legendary Honda reliability. Decades later, these motorcycles remain popular with first-time riders, custom builders, and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts looking for an affordable classic with timeless styling. Located in Cleveland, Ohio, this 1985 Honda Rebel is offered for just $1,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly motorcycles featured in today's collection. According to the seller, the bike served as a first motorcycle and has been an enjoyable and dependable rider over the years. It will require a new clutch and a replacement battery before returning to regular service, making it a straightforward mechanical project for someone with basic maintenance skills. Fortunately, Honda Rebels are well known for their simple design, excellent parts availability, and low ownership costs, making repairs both affordable and accessible. For buyers searching for an inexpensive vintage Honda with excellent reliability, beginner-friendly manners, and plenty of long-term potential, this 1985 Honda Rebel represents an attractive opportunity. Whether restored as a dependable daily rider or customized into a compact bobber or cruiser, it offers a solid foundation at an affordable price.